Hi guys, my name is Costa and today I'm gonna show you how to create this testimonial card that expands when you click on it. As you can see, I already have created this component card right here, and on my right side there are a few variables like image, name, review text and date. And if I double click on the card, there is two variants. One is for mobile and one is for desktop. If you don't want to spend time recreating this from scratch, there is a link in the description below where you can remix this component. So with that being said, let's get started. I will click on home now and let's create a frame, make it wider, change the position to absolute and put it below the card. Make sure that it's touching the edges right here. Maybe let's make it taller, call it base, click on layout and change the color to white, and let's add a radius of 40 pixels. Create another frame. For this one I will change the color from dark gray to a light gray like this. And let's add a radius of 20 pixels. Now select the text and copy it inside. Select the frame and add a layout. So make sure that the base has a width of fit content and a height of fit content as well. Let's add a padding of 32 pixels. And for the top, I will add 200 maybe, or even more, 220. 210 I think is gonna work better. All right, now select the card and the base, press Ctrl Alt Enter to create a stack, and let's change the width from fill to fit. Let's call this cards. Right click and create a component. Now I will change the height from fit to fixed, and we need to distribute this to start. Make sure that the overflow is visible so that we see the shadows, and then create a new variant. And now for the first variant we have to hide this. Let's put actually the base below the card so that we don't confuse ourselves. And now change the height from fit to fixed and put it like this. However, as you can see, we can't drag it entirely to the top because we have a top padding of 210. So we will change this to 32 pixels maybe. And let's make it like this. Also, I see that there is a gap of 13 pixels, so I will type in 0. Make it taller now a bit. And go to the second variant. Put this to fit and add a 210. So now select the card, drag it to the second card, and select the second card and drag it to the first card. Let's preview this. All right, this looks already great. Now let's select the text, click on effects and text, then change the trigger from appear to layer and view, and now change the preset from blur to stagger. Let's see now how it looks like. Looks very beautiful. And now let's select the first variant, go to transition and change from spring to ease. Then add 2 seconds or 3 seconds. It depends on how long you want this animation to take. So I will use 2 seconds and then go to ease and switch from ease in and out to ease out. Let's see it now. I would like this gray part also to grow in, but right now it's staying in the center and we have to fix it. But first, let me fix this text animation because I forgot to put it on loop. So I will click on replay, and every time now you play the animation, you will see this text animation. So, all right. Now let's fix this part right here. Select the base in the second variant and put the distribution from center to start. Let's see it now. Okay, still the same thing. So I guess I have to do this for the primary as well. Select the base in the primary and put the distribute to start. Let's see it now. Okay, still the same thing, and I know why. I think select again the base in the first variant and then select the stack and change the height fixed to fill. And in the second variant, select the stack now again and put it to fixed. And let's make it bigger, something like this. And voila guys, now it looks perfect. So we need to fix this right here because as you can see, when we go home, we see this and we don't want it. So right now the height is on fixed, I will put it to fit. And now, as you can see, it works perfect and it looks perfect. We can also maybe add some gap for the top here of 32. And yeah, that is it guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.